Yo, what is going on with y'all boys today? Today I'm going to be showing you a full-on PC optimization guide that's only going to take a maximum of 20 minutes. And I'm going to walk y'all through of everything so y'all can understand the processes before you do anything to your computer. And also in this video I'm also going to show how to get Windows, the next version of Windows 11 for, alright, but for free. Maybe, we'll see. But anyway, so what y'all want to do is go into my description, join the Discord server, and once you're in the Discord server, you go to downloads, and then download this file. It's gonna say it's like dangerous or whatever. It's fine. It's all run by PowerShell. So once y'all download that, y'all gonna want to go to the file. Like once y'all got the file on your screen, right here, and you're gonna want to extract it to your computer desktop. Like for example, once you extract it to the desktop, you're gonna want to open it up. And before you do anything, run this file as an admin, bro. Like for real, you have to. And then make sure scripts is on. And once you do that, you're gonna want to go to check. First one you're gonna want to do is space check. What you will do is you need 10% of free space, and as y'all can see, I have 20%. So we have enough storage, as y'all can see. And second thing we got to do is check our RAM to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. It is going to install some programs on like the computer, like just to check like your RAM, your GPU, CPU, all that. So once you're in the program, you're going to want to look at your stuff and make sure you go to memory and make sure if you only have 2 RAM sticks, make sure they're in the 2 and the 4 slot. Alright, so I have 1200 for some reason of XMP, and you got to make sure you have it in slot 2 and 4, because if you don't, that would be kind of bad, not gonna lie. But yeah, make sure you have that in. Alright, and make sure everything is looking right. Alright, and once you do that, make sure XMP, DOCP, or Expo is enabled, because it will get the maximum speed amount on your RAM as possible. And make sure your RAM stick is in dual channels and do not mismatch them. And make sure they're in 2 and 4. Or if you have 4, just make sure they're in 1. Next one we're going to do is the GPU check. I'm just going to get GPU Z. Alright, so once that is installed, it's going to open. It is on Tech Power, so I'm in my system right here. Make sure all these are checked. Right CPU, right GPU. If there is 2 in your computer, like 2 GPUs, I recommend just taking the one that's worse out and selling that. Because all you really need is one, to be honest, since they removed the LSS or whatever the fuck is going on. So make sure it does say X16, because like I'm pretty sure if not, it might be installed wrong in your computer. I had issues with that in the past. So basically, let's see here, just make sure everything is like right, your clock and stuff. Should you make sure this is on? It's like BIOS things, but yeah. Alright. You can close that. BIOS update. This will basically take you to your Google. You want to search in your BIOS. So I have a Gigabyte AB350 Gaming 3. So once you're in there, you want to go driver OS, put like whatever thing you got in here, just like into Windows 11. Go to BIOS. Make sure there is not a beta one. Do the latest one that is not in beta. And then once you got your BIOS, like all that, should be good to put that in your BIOS and update them. So yeah, I can't physically put it in for y'all, like install in the BIOS, because I don't have anything to record off my PC. So y'all have to search for that. So next one is the BIOS settings. Okay, if you have an Intel CPU, enable the RAM profile for XMP, DLCP, or Expo. Disable C-State because it will downclock your graphics and like in games and stuff. So that is not good. Make sure resizable bar is on because it will actually help out a lot. If you have an AMD CPU like me, enable RAM profile, XMP, DLCP, or Expo so you get high speed. Make sure this is on so it doesn't underclock. So is this. If you have a water cooler, set the fans to performance. Disable any driver install software like MSI driver utility, AC Song 3, Gigabyte update utility, ASRock output utility. If you click Y, you go to BIOS. Next, we're going to do a CPU test. So it's installing Prime 95. Just click OK. I'm gonna just do like 4. Okay. Good. It will say if there's any errors on here, so you can check on your computer. If there is, you can get that fixed. As y'all can see, I have no errors on my computer. So yeah, I can just close that. It should not be ignored for corrupted Windows, files, blah blah blah, all that. There's troubleshoot, like BIOS update, clear CMOS, all this. So I'll just pause the video, take a screenshot of this. Alright. So, okay. Since we're done with that, we can do a RAM test. Which you want to get TM5. Okay, I don't think I know that. I'm stupid. So once you do that, I have 48 gigabytes of RAM and 21 gigabytes is available. So make sure your clock is on the maximum, because I got like 2400 or something last time, and it's for 3200. So basically, yeah. Once you do that, you're good to go. If there's an error, go on the BIOS, DSP, EXP, XMP, whatever. I did GPU test. It's basically just like a benchmark. If you want to do it, you can, but you don't have to. HW info. Okay. It will take a second to install, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. We'll analyze everything on your computer. Like CPU, everything like that. Boost max 3700. Damn, I don't know what's wrong with mine then. modules. Let's do 2. C37. Team group. 3700. Team group. 3700. Make sure this is right. You gotta make sure this is on. So is this. But mine, it's not on, so I'll have to do that later. Which I only have 1 GPU. And yeah. Just do that. Close that out. I have to delete this by the way. I'm gonna use that. Next, you want to do, if you want to refresh your PC, factory reset, account, local, reinstall Windows, auto unattended, reinstall network drivers, or go to BIOS. But I'm gonna skip this section personally. Setup. You guys will have to search this up because I'm not gonna put it in this video for legal reasons. So yeah, go to map updates. Make sure that's off. Startup apps. Make sure all of these are off. Even translucent TV. Background apps. Make sure those are for real off. Like Edge updates. Yeah, I don't have Edge anymore. Store updates. Turn everything off. Windows update pause. Pause for however long. Go to installers if you want to get like Spotify, Messiah Afterburner. I already have that stuff. So you can get like all of this. Me personally, I already have all of this. Most of them. So yeah. I'm gonna skip this section. And number 5. I'm gonna go from 1. Screen drive. Once that's open. Oh, okay. No, not right now. If you have an AMD, run this and this. I have NVIDIA, y'all can see, so I'm gonna run an NVIDIA driver. And we're gonna install it. It will take a while to install, so just let it do it in the background. I'm gonna open NVIDIA settings now. Turn it on. Once that's done, says it's imported. You want to go to here and click your main monitor you have, or all of them actually. Advanced display. See, mine's not on 100 Hertz. It's on 60. So good thing we went and did that. But this one, it's at 60. Make sure HAG's window. Make sure that's on. And if you want, you go down here. You can click on this GPU preference, high performance. I'm gonna also add desktop app. We'll go to see program files. Where is it? Where is Epic? Bruh. I'm stupid. You look x86, Epic Games, Epic Online Service. Bro, I'm stupid, bro. It's in program files. Bro. I'm just gonna search it from here because I honestly forgot where I located it. It's in my E drive. And then binaries, 164. No, actually, I lied. It's third party. Wait, no. It's content. What the fuck? 164. Yes, 164. It would be this one. This one. You add it, click on it, high performance, done with that. Your screen will turn off during the installation, so click agree and continue. Next. And then it will actually optimize your NVIDIA control panel. As y'all see, here's my settings if you want to copy them, if it doesn't. Alright. You go to here too, use my preference emphasizing, set all the way there, and click that. Apply changes. Sound.psi. I'm gonna open that. I personally would say yes. Actually, no, because I don't want it to be too loud. We're gonna open MSI mode. I recommend turning it on. If you want it off, you can. As you can see, it is on. Next one, you want to do DirectX. It will update all of your DirectX files and stuff. See, it's installing it for me. It will take a second, so like, click the next one, CC. It's installing everything. My screen will go crazy for a second. If the screen does turn off, that is personally the network driver, so don't mind that. And then just let these two run. Click next, next. I'll let that install. It's going to install all your C++ and update everything, so you can update like Windows and stuff. And then while that's installing, everything's going to basically install in the background. Once that's done, we go in. Just check on, just check on it. Once you've done everything in graphics, go to Windows. I do start menu taskbar. If you want, you can go back and revert everything. I recommend making a restore point before you do the tweaks. So I'm going to personally have this on. First of all, I just gotta make sure. Fox, you could just here. We're gonna go Windows, and then once you do that, like update the drivers and stuff, you wanna go start menu taskbar. I just did that until the recording somehow ended. This. So I'm gonna start menu shortcuts, which will basically remove everything, and we'll clear out all this. Like, so it'll just be like this. It will take you to here so you can actually uninstall some stuff. This is what I do too. Like a bunch of stuff. I use Proton. Use like this. Yeah. Actually, I might use that. And once you got the stuff you want, you can delete it. I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling in the installed, you're good to go on that. This will disable Copilot. You can actually turn it on or off if you want. But yeah. And then widgets, which is basically all that. And then restart to apply after you're done. Make sure you go to the internet shortcut. Make sure this is on because it will actually optimize your PC a little more. Forgive me. So, once next, you want to open the game bar, which is basically like for your Xbox. Like it'll pop up at the top, like your Xbox stuff. So, like if you basically chat with your friends on like, your PC on Xbox, then keep it on. If not, I recommend turning it off. It will give you a huge FPS increase. decrease like 10-20. Also, just so you guys know, do not use Afterburner because it will actually decrease FPS by almost 100. For point of precision, make sure it's off because it will like watch my mouse. It's like weird, if that makes sense. So make sure it is off. Alright, 2 things will pop up. So once that is scaling, you could do either 100 or 150. I recommend just doing 100 though. And the power plan will add ultimate performance. I recommend turning it on because it will like actually do something to your PC. But if it's a laptop, it might not be a good idea, especially if it's a low end, because it's basically taking a lot more energy out of the computer for performance. So laptop users, be careful. And you're gonna want to open the time resolution file, turn it on. It will decrease your most response time for a little bit. Like task managers taking up a lot. I'm not using that, so I'll just basically close it. And core isolation, turn that on. And in registry, it will optimize your registry. So just so y'all know. So I'll close this. Oh, what is the registry? Like, why does it look like that? Alright. Still looks funky. There. Like, you can keep it on if you want. It does usually do that. Sign out lock screen. Sign out and lock screen. You can do black if you want. I'm gonna do it default. This is the uninstall Microsoft Edge. I already have it uninstalled. But if you want to uninstall it, go right ahead. It's not gonna hurt your computer at all. It's actually just, well, if you use it, don't uninstall it. Of course. And once you've done that, bloatware. Yes, bloatware. This, you gotta be careful. Because if you do entirely, or Microsoft Store, snipping like a bunch of stuff. So, me personally, I'm not gonna do anything. So, yeah. It's that. Well, we're apps. I don't play BeamNG anymore, so I'm gonna uninstall that. Bloatware features. Yes. Click OK. More bloatware apps. Yeah. I will just do C drive because I need to clear that up and then do the largest. Like, I use this and this, so I can't do that. So, yeah. Bloatware features. You can just turn all these. It'll add all this, so just know. And then bloatware check. Check for any bloatware on your PC. Like, of course I have these on because it's actually recording. So this. So I'll just let that be. Auto runs. This is what automatically runs on the computer without you knowing. So once that's open, look at all this stuff. Personally delete that. Except this. Everything from Microsoft, just keep it on. But if you don't know what it is, like, just don't personally mess with it. I'm going to basically just do everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna close that out, clean up, you know how it is. Just runs this, put it on the background. checked everything. Yep. And then the restore point. So next is hardware. Mouse optimization. Like, I'm not gonna move my mouse because, like, even the slightest inch will do that. So toggle DPI awareness, you know, just whatever you want to do. So yeah. So yeah, it's really annoying. Yeah, 400. All this, just you can take a screenshot if you want. Mouse pawing rate. Syncing. I don't know what it is, so I'm not gonna mess with it. The mouse latency. Internet's being crappy. Of course it is. Control overclock, I don't use that. If y'all use it, just do it. Keyboard latency. I basically have I have the TH80. Yeah, I used to have it. But I have a Red Dragon now. So, yeah. Red Dragon K530. That's what I'm using right now. The other one's kind of broken. So, yeah. Monitor optimization. So basically optimize your monitor. So just do that. Run everything. It's done this right now. So basically, did I just restart my monitor? I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling in this. I keep accidentally restarting my monitor, bro. I don't know how to use this thing. It's a legit brand spanking new. So I'm not gonna mess with it. And once you can do advanced, it will help. So do network adapter. Only out before. So once that happens, you're gonna do this off. PO state gone. MPO on. If you play Windows full screen. FSO, FSC, full screen optimization, or full screen. I think I do something. Keyboard shortcuts. If you want, you can turn this off. But do now. Security, that will bring you in a safe mode. Updates. I don't recommend turning it off. Yeah. Services. Create a restore point first before you do anything. Duty party is gonna be mine. So yeah. So basically, it's gonna be like, okay, it's gonna be managing the services on the computer. If it's wrong, do a system restore point. Go advanced settings, just first points, apply. Okay. Actually, continue. No, I'm start safe shell. Do off. did. If it fails to boot, make sure you actually do the restore point, or else your PC cooked. You actually have to do that, bro. I'm not even kidding. It will try to sign out because it has to do this stuff. But once that, we're done with this tweak. After that, you're gonna wanna search. So just do it like that. Actually, I don't want this one. So let me remove this real quick. Test switch box. I'm gonna do PowerShell run as admin. Here, from that, let's see, what is it? Course status tag. This thing should be on the website. Right here. Copy that. Paste it in. And wait for that to load. Depends how fast your PC is. Quick. Tweaks. Standard. Or tweaks. It's gonna make another restore point, guys, so just so y'all know, it will do that. And make sure you don't select the wrong one when you reboot, or if it messes up for that sake with the start shell thingy, because I don't want you guys having messed that up. So just be careful, and it will do all these tweaks. So just let that go through. So I can do everything like on here. We already did the power thing, which was this. So yeah. Let that do its thing. Oh, I accidentally closed it, but y'all just, if y'all want to do it the whole thing, you can. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it for this video. If y'all enjoyed this, go back, like and subscribe, join the Discord server. Hope y'all have a good morning or night wherever you are, and happy New Year's. Peace out, guys.